What's going on, folks? God, excuse me. Have my morning breakfast. Hope everybody doing good this week. Starting off this Monday, May 20th. Oh my gosh, my son's birthday was yesterday. Let me stop this stream right now. Matter of fact, I'll just text him right quick. I wonder why he called me. His birthday was yesterday. Wow. Fact. I'll just text him right quick. So let's go over these entries. I want to look at a couple things this week. First, I want to look at gold, obviously, because it's been on a tear. And I'm going to run like a scanner for Forex to see what we got. Hope everyone's doing well. Trying to see what we got here. Something for the morning time, AUD, USD. I kind of already got this in play. Let's check it out. AUD, USD. We are trending on the weekly. Check out where we should be looking for buys. I am bullish on this. Just got undervalued. Marking these major areas up. See if we're overpriced or underpriced. Okay, we're undervalued on AUD. Let's look for a buy entry. Got an IMG fill right here. 1 hour. So I'm looking at a trade like this. There is a lot of junk here. So I will go right under that. Then back to the high right here. That's the trade I'm looking for AUD, USD today. I would take my first entry here. And second entry there. This actually, technically, should go to higher. It passed this value, came down, went up, started trending. This could go higher. I'll probably take it to 30-minute, 4-hour. You can take it to a weekly level, which is the 67.87. I don't think we have to wait for a retest on this. We'll take it right here. That's my AU trade, AUD USD. I am bullish. I like it to hold these fair value gaps to continue this demand. It broke structure, but the return up is too high. So let's hope that them buyers can hold it. This is going to be the trade for today, but I'm also going to chart gold. Let's put an alert right there so we can look at gold. Same thing with gold. Let's make sure we're trending on the weekly, and we are. In a bull trend, we just broke and made a new high. So how do we follow this trend? I overskipped a step on AUD too. I didn't look at the 4-hour. Go back and check that out. So we have gold's value here. See how price went through, boom, here, came back, and then went up. Not only that, came back through, then tested it one more time. Now gold looks like it's turning around now on the 4-hour. Pretty strong. So let's look at the 30-minute. Find out where will we buy it to follow the weekly flow. Keep in mind we are overpriced on the 4-hour. Alright, so let's check AUD. When that got there. This trading view chart just changed on me. I didn't put all of this here. This is strange. So let's just erase this. That is so strange. I almost thought I was looking at the wrong chart. Weekly looks bullish. That was very strange. At least we can go back to what we overlooked, the 4-hour value. We have value, it's in our expansion phase. Here's an IMG fill on the daily right here. Now this looks like a cleaner buy. Also, the daily is accumulating, so you got to be careful with that. This daily is just like, it's trying to trend. It has a here, but it is accumulating, so let's just be careful with that. It can range for a while. Let's go to this is the daily IMG, or fair value gap, FVG. It's 4-hour value. It's 4-hour value. Let's go to the 30 minutes. See, we are in expansion phase though. Up, down. So here is your 30-minute value. And we aren't in an we started the expansion phase, but we haven't had the second leg up. So we could potentially get a buy back up to 30-minute value. As you can see, it went through this value, so we can get a retest in these areas and come back up. Typically under this box, maybe right here at value of this IMG fill. So I will be looking for a buy like this. Using that. There. I'm gonna put this order in 66.52. Let's get it. AUD. Take profit at 66.90. Now, if you wanted to sell it down, it's possible, because we should go back above this value. And once we get back above this box, you can look for sales. So what we'll do is we'll mark like a little line above this box. We'll just put an alert. It's even better. Let's move back to gold. Glad I went back to that 4-hour though. I needed to see that. So like I say, on gold, we're undervalued. So we can see where this thing trying to catch. A 4-hour, we haven't developed this overvalue on a 4-hour. So 30-minute, right there. Let's look and see where this price is going to react to give us a sell. Here's an IMG fill right here. If we can get a breaking structure on a 1 minute, 5 minute, we can probably buy it back up to value. Or at least up to the 5 minute highs, which is still value. But we need a breaking structure. Let's keep looking at that 1 hour to make sure we don't have any IOCs or anything cleaner. I don't technically see anything other than this area. So this could set up another sell potentially down the value. It's real shaky trying to buy it over value with this sell pressure like this. This is a good area to think about it, but we need a breaking structure. Here's structure right here. You break above that line. And it's failing miserably. It failed to break structure. Now it's just melting. See how we're going here. That's the IMG feel. The next area would be this 1 hour value. $24.10. So what I did was, we didn't break this structure, so I took the sell. Stop loss is right here, structure, and I'm taking it down to 24.10. I have it at 24.12. Once we fill this IMG, I'll shrink my stop loss. Sorry about that. But look at her. Got a nice pump down, 24.20. That's where I'm in my entries here. Alright guys, so we got a nice setup. We're gonna wait. Here's the overall thing we're gonna do. We're waiting for price to hit here, 24.10. If we get a breaking structure on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, we can follow it back up. All right. Follow it back up to the 1 hour IMG, and then here. So important to wait for that breaking structure, and you can potentially take this trade here First trade would be here. Second trade would be here. And this IMG looks like it's filling up now on 1 minute. This is when I'll shrink the stop loss. This one here is the one I was concerned about. Yeah. And to be honest, I'm not even going to label this because you got this little supply area here. This is the IMG. Should be concerned about. Back at the 1 hour IMG fill. Because I'm at 2020, I'm going to put my stop loss even. And I'll just jump back in once we get a rejection. Let's check out AUD. This trade will probably set up later on. We needed to bounce off some areas. It's just straight melting right now. But yeah, this is like the opposite. We're just waiting for this. This thing is just melting. I don't think it's gonna come back up here. So we'll put our alert for below this box here. Could very well react off the value, but this pressure is pretty strong. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Oh my gosh, that junk committing suicide. It's just diving. Gravity smacked the hell out of that jump. All right, let's check this one out. Look at gold. Look at gold. Let's go, let's go. Uh, 5-minute IOC is right here. So if you want to sniper this, you can bring it down to there. Wow. Right below value. All right, folks, that's my trade setups for the day. You got it here, Vital Traders. And the alert just went off for AUD. I want to close it out, but every time I try, the alerts keep flying off. Why did that alert go off? I didn't ask for this. 66.70. Maybe I did. So maybe this will give us a reaction. I don't know. It's 8:27. Usually the market reacts at 8:30. That's why I wanted to do this before 8:30 to show some entries, to show where we're going. We are bullish on both. So keep that in mind. So maybe not today, we might not go bullish, but they are bullish this week. Just look for some buy entries. The sells will probably come pretty quick because I think taking profits to just buy up again. So keep that in mind, folks. And I'm glad y'all tuned